This is your living space. This is your kitchen space, where over here you get a granite platform. So this is our master bedroom, where right over here you can set. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. Today in this video, we'll be doing a sample flat tour of Mangalam Mithila, which is located near Shri Swami Samarth Nagar, Moshi, Pune, and is developed by Mangalam Landmark. So as you can see, I'm on the actual location और मेरे पीछे है सेल्स ऑफिस और सेल्स ऑफिस के सामने आपको मिल जाता है इंटरनल रोड जो लेफ्ट साइड से आपको कनेक्ट करता है देहू आलंदी रोड से. So before we go ahead with this project, first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike any other current listing platform where a number is shared with number of brokers, Housey is different. Housey connects you directly to the builder. That means transparent pricing, genuine information, and hassle-free home buying experience. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home today through Housey. Now let's discuss the project overview. This project will be constructed on 0.95 acres of land parcel, one tower with 2 basement plus ground plus 14 floors having 2 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss the location and connectivity of this project. As you can see, I'm on the actual location of this project और मेरे सामने है सेल्स ऑफिस और सेल्स ऑफिस के सामने आपको मिल जाता है इंटरनल रोड जो आपको कनेक्ट करती है देहू आलंदी रोड से. दिस प्रोजेक्ट इज लोकेटेड नियर श्री स्वामी समर्थ नगर, मोशी, पुणे. इस प्रोजेक्ट के कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है नागेश्वर टेम्पल 1.1 किलोमीटर, भारत माता चौक 1.4 किलोमीटर एंड जूडियो 2.9 किलोमीटर. Now let's discuss the amenities of this project. This project has 10 plus luxurious amenities with the likes of yoga and meditation deck, kids play area, gymnasium, party lawn, multi-purpose court and many more. As you can see, I'm standing at the entrance of our 2 BHK sample flat which has 687 square feet carpet area. So this is the main door where right over here you get a video door phone and you also get a digital door lock for security purpose. This is the entrance lobby where right over here you can set up your shoe rack or decorative items. Now let's check out the living space and the dining space. This is your living space where right over here you can set up your couch and right opposite that you can set up your TV unit. You also get an attached balcony to it which has anti-skid tiles, iron railings and 3 side cover. And right over here you can set up your dining table and have lunch and dinner with your family and friends. Now let's check out the kitchen space. This is your kitchen space where over here you get a granite platform. You also get a sink attached to it and you also get a window attached to it for natural lighting and ventilation purpose. And right over here you can set up your washing machine. Now let's check out our first bedroom. But right before the first bedroom, you also get a common sink over here and you also get a common washroom over here which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fittings and designer vitrified tiles. So this is your first bedroom where right over here you can set up your bed and right opposite that you can set up your TV unit. You also get an attached window to it for natural lighting and ventilation purpose. Now let's check out the master bedroom. But before I show you the master bedroom, let me tell you what does Housey provides you. Housey provides you with sample flat videos, actual location tour, pros and cons of the project, EMI and payment schemes and 360-degree location tour all just under one platform. So what are you waiting for? Book your site visit today through Housey. Now let's check out the master bedroom. So this is our master bedroom where right over here you can set up your bed and right opposite that you can set up your TV unit. You also get an attached window to it for natural lighting and ventilation purpose. And you also get an attached master washroom which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fittings and designer vitrified tiles. So everyone, this was a sample flat tour of Mangalam Mithila, which is located near Shri Swami Samarth Nagar, Moshi, Pune, and is developed by Mangalam Landmark. To get more information about this project, click on the below link to download price sheet and e-brochure. And also you can like, share and subscribe Housy's YouTube channel.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.